In this video, I'll share Slack tips for project managers. First, organize your work by creating separate channels for each project. This helps keep conversations structured and easy to find. Use clear channel names such as project website or project app. Another useful tip is pinning important messages in the channel. This allows the team to quickly access links, files, or instructions. Use threads to keep conversations organized within the same topic. This helps avoid confusion in the main chat. You can also use integrations with tools like Google Drive, Trello, or other platforms. This makes it easier to track project tasks. Another tip is to adjust notifications to focus only on important updates. This helps reduce distractions. Use direct messages only when the topic is not relevant to the whole team.